modern woman, there's absolutely no time to waste, darling. So this brownie in a mug for two is an absolute must. Let's go. Give one serving to your partner or simply keep both for yourself. This brownie recipe in a mug is simply bloody amazing. Excuse me. And with just 5 ingredients, it literally doubles in size. I don't gloat over my cleverness, darling. Let's get into the recipe now. I'm using 1/4 cup of almond cacao butter in this recipe, but you can use any nut butter of your choice. To that, add 1/4 cup of sugar-free chocolate chips and set that aside. To a bowl, add 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of powdered sweetener, and before you whisk it, do add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I almost forgot, and then I acted like I planned it that way. After the vanilla is added, now whisk for about 1.5 minutes. The egg mixture is ready when it changes to a lighter color. Next, microwave the nut butter and chocolate chips for 30 seconds if you have a 700-watt microwave and 20 seconds if you have a 1000-watt microwave. Then stir it well. The chips do not have to be melted completely, just softened. You want to be careful not to overcook this mixture because you don't want to burn the chocolate, darling. So do not be tempted to microwave it again. Give it a stir and add it to the egg mixture and give it a final whisk. You could either add it to a 4.5-inch ramekin and bake it for 1 minute. And just a little side note, I added a teaspoon of chocolate chips halfway through adding the batter into the ramekin and then another teaspoon of chocolate chips on top. Or you could share the batter between 2 mugs and sprinkle a teaspoon of chocolate chips into each mug on top of the batter, then microwave for 30 seconds per mug. That's the timings for a 700-watt microwave. If you have a 1000-watt microwave and you want to use a 4.5-inch ramekin, microwave for 40 seconds. And if you are using 2 mugs, microwave each mug for 20 seconds. If you prefer to use an oven, preheat that to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius and bake for 10 minutes only. And yes, only 10 minutes so we can have some fudginess in the brownie. I know some like it hot, but it's bad business to eat this straight away. Do let it cool for a few minutes, won't you? I just wanted to show you how the brownie doubles in size in the before and after mugs. I say, this recipe is going to be all the rage and you don't want to be out of fashion, darling. You simply must try it and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.